Hello class and welcome to week 8, Information Systems Development. The reading will be from chapter 12, Information Systems, CE 16, Systems Development Project Management, CE 17, Agile Development, and CE 18, Business Process Management. This week we will have weekly discussions. There will be a collaboration exercise in which I have added the exercise under the discussion questions. The annotated bibliography, you're going to add 2 more entries, which you should have a minimum of 14 by the end of this week. Your written exercise you will have individually, and you will submit it to your collaboration exercise write-up. And then the annotated bibliography, again, will you submit the totality for grading. All right, so the background and rationale this week, you will learn about information systems development, including the systems development lifecycle and the programs and risks associated with systems development. More importantly, you will explore methodologies used to develop software, including waterfall, agile, business process management, and project management technology. Learning outcomes for this week. Upon completion of this learning topic, you should be able to analyze how companies manage and optimize information systems development to create a competitive advantage. Describe and analyze business process management, systems development, project management, agile development, traditional software development, which is the waterfall. Articulate the 5 phases of the SDLC and the roles and key elements of each phase. Analyze the risks and challenges inherent in systems development, and explore how information systems develop and changing to manage these risks and improve value to the customer. Reading and presentations. Complete the readings and resources for this week as listed in the course assignments and activities table in the course syllabus. The discussion topics, questions 1 and 2. As a reply to this message, identify why a formalized project management process is necessary. What are the challenges in traditional waterfall approach and agile approach? Please be specific and include examples and/or research to support your post. After reading CE 18 Business Process Management on pages 623 through 634, please define business process management and how it is practiced in the real world. Describe how you see business process management related to information systems. Is it an integral part of the system development or not? Please explain your answer. And then I have the exercise for the collaboration and team exercises. The reading will be from Cronky, 2017. It'll be Chapter 12, Information Systems Development, and CE 17, Agile Development, pages 614, 622. For the group, you would debate and contrast a traditional system development strategy to an agile development methodology. You use your team discussion forum to talk to each other only, as usual. Each team will select a team leader to post the team's response for the class discussion board. Team posting to the class discussion board due Wednesday midnight. At least 2 follow-up posts by each student due Sunday night. Team 1 Waterfall, Team 2 Spiral, and Team 3 Agile. There's no Team 4, but if any team or you listen to this, if you would like to take up that last one, if you're interested, just let me know, or you can just, put it as the title of your group discussion. Each team needs to research 1 software development methodologies and answer the following questions. Define the attributes of software development methodology, traditional waterfall, agile. Identify the pros and cons of this methodology. Identify the implications to IT leadership and project management if using the methodology. Identify the products and business environment that justify the methodology and why. Identify if there is any justification to employ the alternative development approach. Each team will post the team's response for the whole class. Class discussion, respond to the other team's posts with additions and or questions regarding the research and conclusions. And just pretty much just, if you have any questions that you think will challenge the discussion to keep it going. And based on both teams' findings, identify which approach you find most sustainable in the next 5 years and why. Again, here's the collaboration rubric for that group discussion. This will be your written assignment, which will go into the collaboration written exercise. Following APA style guidelines, prepare a 3-page paper, not including the cover page and reference page. Describe the impact of software development approach on IT organizations in the next 10 years. Address the following. Identify the possible IT and project management and organizational challenges that may arise. Identify the IT changes required to support software development as an organizational strategy in the future. Identify IT security risk and possible security assurance methods that would mitigate these risks. No less than 3 articles must support your research essay. Remember, all sources that are cited in the text must appear in the reference list at the end of the paper. Your reference list must have at least 3 scholarly references cited. You will submit your assignment again, exercise write-up 3, Dropbox by midnight Sunday of this week. As always, we have the written assignment grading rubric and an assignment template in which you can follow to complete your assignment. The annotated bibliographies, you're going to complete 2 A/B entries. You should have 2 highlighted from the last week and 2 from this week. Research 1 article on the pros and cons of the Agile development methodology. Your other A/B entry for the week should be related to IT project management and or business processes. And again, we have our 3 documentations if you have any questions. And as usual, if you do have any questions or you feel like you'll be late or anything that you may need to just shoot me an email, and as usual, work something out and figure it out. This is the last week. I hope all of you were able to learn something and take something with you. It was a pleasure doing the class with you, and we'll finish this last week out strong. And I wish all of you the best. So again, continue. This is last week. Let's push through. And wishing everybody good luck for the last week.